Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ranjit with another quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Google Translate on one of your favorite messaging platform, WhatsApp. First, you need to install Google Translate on your device, for which open Play Store and search for Google Translate and then click on Install. Once the application is installed, open the application and click on the menu option on the left top corner and click on Settings. Now click on Tap to Translate and make sure Enable option is selected. When you do that, it will request you to provide the permission for the application. Just allow the permission and Google Translate will be enabled for your device to translate. Now you have Google Translate installed on your device. So let us see how it works on WhatsApp. Just open the WhatsApp application on your device and select any single conversation from any chat and click Copy. Now you will be able to find Google Translate option enabled on the right top corner. Click on it and Google Translate will automatically detect the language and you can convert it to your preferred language. In this example, I have used English, but you can use any other language and convert it to English or any other preferred language. Hope this brief tutorial helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.